This is This Week in Automotive History. Let's do that.
Very good. So this past week in automotive history, June the 23rd, 1966, the National Traffic and Safety Motor Vehicle Act was passed in the United States. And now this is the legislation that led to the mandatory federal safety standard of vehicles, crash tests basically. And it's actually done a lot to improve automotive safety thanks to our family of crash test dummies that have worked real well over the years. Then on June the 26th, 1956, President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the Federal Aid Highway Act of 1956. This is what created the Interstate Highway system. And it created the interstates across, and it just really changed the way that Americans traveled because they had so much easier access to get around the world. Then on June the 27th in 1985, naturally, U.S. Route 66 was officially decertified on this date. Now, this is they decided that it was, they removed all the highway signs, designated that it was a highway in 1926 from Chicago, Illinois to Santa Monica, California, across 2,200 miles, and they just took all the signs down and said this is no longer a big highway. June the 28th in 1953, the Chevrolet Corvette, the iconic American sports car, was first produced, and it was known for its distinctive design and powerful performance, and it's still going, what, 8 generations now?
Yeah.
Then in June the 29th in 1964, the production of the Ford Mustang began at the Dearborn Assembly Plant in Michigan. And it also created it was a very successful and enduring muscle car.
That was at Dearborn Assembly and not at the Rouge River plant?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
That's when it started.
Huh.
So it created the whole pony car era, you know, the Camaros came out, and then the Challengers and the Cudas. I mean, it really changed things.
I've been to the Michigan Assembly Plant. I think you have too. Mm-hmm. We went there for, it was a truck. It was a truck factory at the time that we visited.
Okay, yeah. So that was this past week in automotive history.
Wow. Well, that was quick.
Mm-hmm. Trying to make up for the events.
There you go.
The ever ongoing events calendar.